Okay, first one of the day on this rather wet Tuesday morning. This is a Kawasaki Z1000SX. This was dropped off by a local dealer last week in desperate need of a bit of trot TLC. So this is going to get one of our legendary full Monty valets. Get all this stuff cleaned up, all that exhaust, do what we can with it. It's got some sticky stuff, I don't know what that's from. But yeah, she's in desperate need of a bit of trot TLC. We've got a bit of paint correcting to do, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. Oh my God, what is this? Somebody's not taking care of their chain very well, so we get all that old rusty crap off of there. We'll then re-lube it all back up, touch up a few rusty bits and pieces. I'm sure those wheels will need a spraying after we get them all cleaned. Got a few scratches here and there, we'll sand down and repaint. So yeah, we got our work cut out for us with this one. I don't know how many miles it's got on it, but it's in desperate need of a bit of trot TLC. So enough of my jibber jabber, let's work a bit of trot magic. Okay, 3 and a bit hours later, this Ninja 1000SX has been trotted. This was a bit of a filthy beast, but looking pretty freaking sweet now. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets. This is for a dealer, so we didn't go too overboard, but it needed quite a bit doing. So everything's been meticulously cleaned, all these discs, all the edge of the disc, calipers, front of the exhaust has been minted up. I just did a 2-stage machine polish on the front. It had a few marks on it here and there. Windscreen's been polished. Everything's been XCP'd. All that scratching on the cover here, I sanded that down. We painted that with a bit of satin black. All the exhaust has been mirror polished up. Remember all that Minger disc at the back there, that's all been thoroughly cleaned. All that old rusty crap off the chain has been degreased, all blow dried, re-lubed back up, Silcoline titanium gel. All the sprocket nuts have all had extra XCP on it. All your suspension linkages, XCP. Like I said, we did a 2-stage machine polish on this tank. Look at the gloss on that, absolutely gleaming. Yep, 3 hours, ready for the showroom. I don't know what these dealers would do without us. Anyways, on to the next. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz at 07966 249 963.